I push for people to come to Alfred State all the time. I push that this is one of the best departments in the state and you will get the best jobs out of here.
At Alfred State, students are transformed into professionals, whether they're learning trades, gaining practical experience, or quenching their thirst for knowledge. Students learn by doing, because practice makes professional. Students are eager to roll up their sleeves, to tackle problems, and find solutions, just like they'll do in the workforce. Employers are so eager to hire pioneers, we simply need to grow. Together, we will ignite career readiness.
The thing I love about the school is that it's not just teaching you how to be hands-on in the kitchen, it's teaching you how to work with people around you. I could go into the actual real world feeling more confident.
We really push for internships because they're such a valuable experience, and I think that's so important. Alfred has really pushed me to get some of the best jobs in the field solely because of my education here, which I love.
Getting these physical projects and to be hands-on with them, it helps prepare for what we're going to do in the field, and all of our professors have real-world experience in the fields they teach, so they can actually give us points on what they have experienced and how they see stuff done in the real field.
The program, I've loved getting to go to clinicals right off the bat and not have to wait. You can come out and go right into the work field.
Workforce demand is outpacing our capacity, so we need more equipment, labs, and our highly skilled faculty. Our professors must stay connected to evolving industry needs so that our curriculum and technology can evolve alongside it. Your support fuels that progress.
Younger kids don't always think that I need to get a job after this, but this really is a great environment to both work and spend time in, but also get jobs out in the industry.